teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8 Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables, Exercise 3.4, second question, third subdivision. Alright, now let's read the question. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. I know this is you didn't even understand this question, isn't it? This is somewhat complicated question, but this is very important question. Okay, so please try to understand this. Okay, all right. So here we are supposed to find the number. Okay, so they are talking about digits, isn't it? So the sum of the digits of a two-digit number. What is the meaning of two-digit number? For example, if I say a number 24, okay, so how will I call this part? This part I just call it as ones. And how will I call this number? This number's place? Tens, isn't it? We used to count like that, isn't it? So ones and say 1 second. So we used to count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that we used to count, isn't it? So likewise they have mentioned two-digit number. So I just took a two-digit number. So this is a two-digit number. So here I just call this first place as ones and second one as tens, isn't it? So since they are talking about digits and numbers, I am gonna be taking let the digit at ones place is equal to x and let the digit at tens place is equal to y. Okay. Okay. So now I wrote let the digit, 1 second. Okay. Now I wrote let the digit at ones place. I am gonna take it as x. And let the digit at tens place, I am going to take it as y. Okay. So you guys might be wondering why am I assuming it as x and y? Why? Because in this chapter, that is the third chapter, we usually focus like this only. Okay. So whenever you get a word problems like this, try to take x value and y value. Okay. So why? Because this is the rule in this lesson. Okay. So likewise they are talking about two-digit number, isn't it? They are talking about two-digit number. So when I just write a random two-digit number, that is 24. So here in the two-digit number, the quality of this two-digit number is ones place and the tens place. That's why I just wrote let the digit at ones place, let it be x, and let the digit at tens place, let it be y. Okay. Alright. So now try to understand properly. Okay. So here when I just talk about ones place, okay, then when we just talk about ones place, ones means 1, isn't it? So 1 into, so 4. Okay. So we usually expand it like this. Okay. So when I just tell you guys to expand it, you will expand it like this, isn't it? Yeah. So so in small age we studied this. I know most of the guys won't remember that. Even I didn't remember at first. Okay. So try to understand now. So whenever I talk about ones, ones means 1. So 1 into the first digit is 4. So 1 into 4 is 4. Okay. So comma. So here 2 in the so in 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 10 means 10, isn't it? So 10 into 2. Okay. So like this only we used to expand, isn't it? So here I will write it properly. So 10 into 2 and then comma, don't need comma. Okay. So 1 into 4. Okay. Okay. So here I just wrote it like this, isn't it? So here remember, why did I write it like this? So if someone asks you to expand ones and tens place, we used to expand it like this, isn't it? 10 into 2. Okay. And then 1 into 4. Why 1? Why? Because 4 is in ones place, that's why 1 into 4. And why 10? Why? Because 2 is in tens place, so 10 into 2. So this is an expand. We just expanded it. Sorry, expand. Okay. So expand. Okay. So we just expanded it. Okay. So this is the meaning of expand. Okay, now you guys might be wondering, why am I talking about these stuffs and all? We studied it in small age. Now what's the use of it? So the use here it is, also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. They are talking about number, isn't it? So now they are talking about number. So what to do? They are always talking about number. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to write 10y plus x. This is going to be a number. How? You guys might be wondering, how is it possible? I just told you. So here instead of 24, no, we just took 1's place as x and 10's place as y. Assume that we have yx. Okay, so this is a number. Think that this is a number. Okay, so this is a number. Think that this is a number. Okay, so that is yx. Okay, so in this yx, which one is in 1's place? So x is in 1's place. So 1 second. Okay, so since you guys know I was talking about number, I just wrote it as 10y plus x. Why did I write this? That is the question here. So here I just told you guys, 1 second. So here in the place of 24, what is 24 here? 24 is a 2-digit number, isn't it? I'll write, it is a 2-digit number. Why did I write 2-digit number? It is mentioned in the question. Okay, alright. So in the place of 24, if I write yx, you can just think this as a number. Okay, so here this is a 2-digit number, isn't it? We just assume that this is a number, so I can say this is also a 2-digit number. Okay, alright. So in this 2-digit number, which one is in 1's place? So here x is in 1's place and y is in 10's place, isn't it? It is like that only. Okay, so now if I just tell you guys to expand it, what will you do? So what will you do? You will just write 10 into y and then you will do plus, and then so x is in 1's place, so 1 into x. We'll do it like this, isn't it? So 10 into y is 10y and here 1 into x, no, we addition sign as it is, and 1 into x is x. Okay, so now I got the number, isn't it? So that is the reason I just wrote the number is equal to 10y plus x. Okay, so try to expand it like this. Okay, so remember guys, why did I do this thing? Why? Because expanding the digit. Okay, what is the meaning of expanding the digit? So here if this is a number, then if I just tell you guys to expand it, so this is in 1's place, this is in 10's place. So 1's means 1 into the particular number, that is x. So here 10's means 10 into y. Like that I got it. Okay. Okay, now you understood, right? Why did I get 10y plus x? This is the number, isn't it? So finally we got the number. So now you know the explanation, isn't it? Okay. So here also, when you just check it out, here when I just expanded it, so here I just expanded it, isn't it? So here also I am supposed to add it. Okay. Why? This is the rule. We studied it in first or third or fourth standard something. Okay, I know most of the guys might have forgotten, but no worries, now you know, right? So when I just, when someone asks you to expand it, please expand it like this. Okay, alright, so this is the number now. Okay, so this is the number. Okay, so now we are supposed to form the equations. So to form the equation, let us read the question. I am going to write it here. Okay, so the sum of the digits. So what are the digits here? Digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So what are the digits? So here we took 1's place. Digit at 1's place is x and digit at 10's place is y. Okay, so those all are digits, isn't it? So I can say x plus, sum means add. Okay, so x plus y is equal to is 9. So this is equation number 1. Okay guys, so since you guys know, I just took it as equation number 1. Alright, so now let's read further. Also 9 times this number. What is the meaning of this number? This number means this, they are talking about this one. Okay, here I wrote number is equal to 10y plus x, isn't it? So 9 times, what is the meaning of 9 times? I'll write it. So 9 times means into, so your bracket means into. 9 times this number. What is that number? 10y plus x. Okay, so this is the meaning of this number. This number means we are talking about this particular number. Okay, alright. Is means we are supposed to write is equal to. Okay, is equal to twice the number. Twice the number means 2 times the number. So bracket. So twice means 2. So twice the number means 2 times. Okay, so whenever you get a word like this, twice, those stuffs and all, try to multiply it. Okay, so twice means 2 times the number obtained by reversing. So here we have a word, important word, by reversing the order of the digits. Here the number is there now. So what is the number? So this is the number, isn't it? So this number we are supposed to reverse it. Okay, so reverse means I'll show. So we are supposed to write the 10 as it is. Only the variables we are supposed to reverse it. Okay, so the actual number is this number. So here we just reversed the variables, isn't it? So likewise we are supposed to do. Okay, so now I'm gonna do little bit fast. So we'll get 9 into 10 is 90y plus 9x is equal to 20x, and then plus 2y and 90y. So when I get this plus 2y to this side, it changes into minus 2y is equal to 20x. When I get this plus 9x to this side, it changes into minus 9x. Okay, so when I just solve it, I get 88y, and here when I solve it, I get 11x, and then what we can do now, we can write 11x. So when I get this 88y to this side, it changes into minus 88y, and then we can write is equal to 0. So now you can see, so here we have 11 and here we have 88. So I can just take 11 as common, isn't it? So when I take 11 as common, then we'll get x minus 8y is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 2. Okay, you guys know, right, why did I do like that? I just took 11 as common. So 1 11 is 11 and 11 8s are, it is 88. Okay, clear? Okay, so now what we can do, now let us solve these both equations by using elimination method. Why? Because in the second question they already mentioned we are supposed to use elimination method. I'm gonna solve it by elimination method. Okay, okay, so elimination. So I'm going to solve it by elimination method. So let us change the sign. So here it will become minus, and here plus, and here it will become minus. Okay, so here we can cancel it. So when I just solve them, I get 9y. So the greatest number is 8, it is plus sign. Alright, so here now I'll get 9. Okay, so y is equal to 1, isn't it? Cancel, cancel, y is equal to 1. So put the value of y in equation number 1. Okay, so what is equation number 1? X plus y is equal to 9. So x plus 1 is equal to 9. Why? Because y value is 1. Alright, so x is equal to 9. When this plus 1 comes to this side, it changes into minus 1. So the x value is equal to 8. Okay, so we got the y value and the x value. Then I can say, one second. Okay, I can say the digit at one's place is equal to, we took it as x, right? So the digit is 8, and in the tens place the digit is y, what is the y value? 1. Okay, so here I'll write and y value is 1. Okay, so now you guys know that we wrote a number, right? So number is equal to 10y plus x. So now let us substitute the values. So what is the number? So the number is, one second, so the number is 10y plus x, isn't it? So this is the number. So now we can actually substitute the y and x values. So the y value is 1 and the x value is 8. Okay, so 1 into 10 is 10, 10 plus 8, it is 18. So what is the number, guys? So the number is 18. Okay, so finally we got the answer. So this is our answer. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video.